Hello students, today I am going to explain you the LCM of three numbers by two methods. I am taking same examples and I am going to solve the same example by using these two methods. First is prime factorization method and second is division method. How the answer will be same by doing these both of the methods. So let's start with prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, you have to find out the prime factors of 30, 25 and 15. So we will take them like this. 30, so we will start from 2 15s are, then I am taking 3 5s are, then 5 1s are. The main thing that which we have to remember that we always have to take the prime numbers. Next, for 25 I am going to take 5 5s are, then again 5 1s are. Then for 15 5 3s are and 3 1s are. So after finding out the factors of 30, 25 and 15, I am just writing 30, 25 and 15, and I will write all the factors of this 30, 25 and 15. The factors of 30 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Factors of 25 are 5 into 5. Factors of 15 are 5 into 3. So for finding out the LCM of this number, we just have to find out the maximum number of repetition of each type of number. Like if this 5 is repeating in all three numbers, मैक्सिमम नंबर यानी मैक्सिमम नंबर किस में रिपीट ज़्यादा हो रहा है, इस 25 में. 5 इज़ रिपीटिंग 2 टाइम्स, सो वी विल राइट 5 इंटू 5. ओके, ये 5 जो नंबर है आपका, ये इन सारे नंबर्स में 2 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है मैक्सिमम. यहाँ पर एक बार है, यहाँ पर एक बार है, यहाँ पे 2 बार है. सो आई विल राइट 5 2 टाइम्स. मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स 5 2 टाइम्स. देन नेक्स्ट 2 इज़ नॉट रिपीटिंग एनीवेयर. 2 is single in this number, it is not repeating in 25 and 15, so I will write 2 only for one time. And maximum number of repetition of 3 is also 1. यहाँ पर देखिए 3 1 टाइम है और 3 यहाँ पर भी 1 टाइम है, so I will take only 3 1 time. Next I will find out the product of all these numbers. 5 5s are 25, so we can write it down here. 25 2s are 50, and then 53s are 150. So the LCM of these numbers will be 150. In the same way, I am going to find out the LCM of same numbers by using division method. In division method, we just have to write down all these numbers in this single column. Okay, so we will start. In this method also, we just have to remember that we should always take prime numbers. We should never take composite numbers. So I'm going to start from 2. So it will cancel by 15 times. Then 2 cannot be cancelled. 25 and 15. So I will write as it is 25 and 15. Okay, ये 38 इवन नंबर था, सो ये 2 से कैंसिल हो गया. 25 इवन नंबर नहीं था, 15 इवन नंबर नहीं था, तो इसलिए हमने इसको एज इट इज़ उतार लिया है. नेक्स्ट नंबर आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 5 3s are, 5 से 25 भी चला जाएगा. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are. नेक्स्ट अगेन आई एम टेकिंग 3 1s are, but 3 do not comes in the table, 3 does not come in the table of 5, so I will copy down as it is 5 and 3 1s are. Next I am going to take 5 1s are and this one. So in this method we just have to find out 1 1 1 at last by taking all prime numbers, and then finally we will write down all these factors. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, and then finally find out the product of these numbers. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 and 35s are 150. So the LCM of these numbers will be 150. So in this way, by using both of the methods, the answer will be same. The above one is prime factorization method and this one is division method. So if you like this video, so please share it and subscribe this channel. Thank you.